Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a simple way how we can set up LLC in Alaska. So let's start. Now the first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called LegalZoom. LegalZoom is a really good company for setting an LLC for you. And why do I recommend it? Setting like outsource it. Only because many people when they are starting a business, they're all about accounting, all about the business administration, and they are not actually like focusing on a business. And LegalZoom can take the burden from you and solve it everything for you. So let's click on LLC here. And now the first thing that you need to do is to start your business with confidence and call it. I'm going to call it Stone's Company, right? Then I'm going to check availability and enter your state here. Let's go with Alaska. Then search. And now they will like see if it's actually available. You just add here your email address, and when you got it, get my LLC. Now here, when do you want to launch? Let's go with the soon. And when we got it, let's click continue. Is Stone's Company your first LLC? Yes or no. Is like, again, you choose that. What will Stone's Company do? And I'm going to choose like e-commerce. You can choose like, I don't know, let's say construction. It's up to you. Now click continue. Will Stone's Company have employees in the first year? Let's go with a no or yes, up to you. And then essential services for Stone's Company. See essential services, you need to actually have a registered agent and also require specific paperwork and legal documentation. See essential services. Okay. Now LegalZoom can offer you a registered agent for you. So it's really good that you actually don't need to worry about anything, or you can like appoint a different registered agent, up to which one you choose. I recommend going with the LegalZoom, but again, it's up to you. Now, let's go further. You have three options here. You can go with the operating agreement, which is essential, is the constitution for your business for $100, or you can go operating agreement plus EIN. Without EIN, you can file taxes, or you can actually open a bank account. And then, or you have options to go like with the complete coverage. That's what I recommend too, is go with also everything else with local permits and licenses. So you're just got to go. Now, but again, you can just work with operating agreement and plus EIN, and it's like enough. Complete coverage. And now you have services LegalZoom actually offers it. The first thing is Legal Protect. There is an independent attorney to help set up and run your business, or you can have a total compliance, stay compliant and protect your personal assets. So let's see what they actually offer. Now you have the legal guidance here, unlimited 30-minute consultations with the independent attorney for any new employment or legal issue. They offer you like 10 days of your LLC order. Then it's like $40 a month. Or you have like also go unlimited 30-minute consultation for legal advice on any new issue, plus access to our legal forms library, all included, right? So this is good, but actually you don't need to if you don't want to. If you know how to set up everything, if you want to just like start a business, go with like no thanks. Now, cool. To go further, you can see total compliance here. They are going to protect you, and this is like really cool thing. Like if they would miss anything, they would pay the fine or the penalty. So that's super cool right here. Or they got your back here, that we can help set up and stay compliant, taking care of annual report fillings and formalities. And it's like $280 a year. Let's go, no thanks. Again, you can incline the trial if you want to. Now, just select the LLC package below and you're all done. So you have options to go with the economy, or you can have options to go with the standard or express gold. It depends like what do you actually need and how fast do you actually need it. But what I recommend in Express Gold is when you would scroll down below, you see all the things LLC filing, all communications with Alaska Secretary of State. And then go like further and you see it right here that you get to see the 7 days a week lifetime customer support. This is something that can be really helpful to you. And as you can see, the difference between standard and Express Gold is not that high. And it's good, I think. So, yeah. And then it's like it's fast, but again, you can go with the standard version. So when I go to next, or I choose the Express Gold here, you can also create a company in Bank of America. No thanks. And then I get to see checkout here. And now you have options to go with the Express Gold. Operating agreement, again, you can choose that to something else, like standard or economy. When I'm going to update to economy, I can see there's like 500. So that's what I can do. And or I can go with the standard version and the price is all right. Now let's go to continue checkout. And again, you just add here the first name, the last name, the address, and you just pay it. And then like the LegalZoom will contact you and you're good to go. So thank you very much, everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.